So, welcome back everybody. Got the SI going down. I just went to Dylan's. Damn, my focus is off. There we go, that's better. I just went to Dylan's, bought some brats. I've had the steak marinating for probably, I'd say, good close to 24 hours right now. So, I'm gonna move this table and we're gonna get Tonka. I'm gonna push Tonka. He's gonna be underneath the carport. So, whenever I actually do start working on him again, when we actually start doing stuff, he will be covered. And yeah, so whenever it is winter time, it's cold, I could just board this off, have a little heater going, and we can still slay some goals. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, SI's going down, about to go shut them off. Or Goku, sorry, I forgot to rebuild the name. Goku is cooling down. Tonka will be moving underneath the carport. Goku will be outside of the carport because I daily drive Goku. And I think that's it. Got the little mini grill going over there. Cheap grill. Yeah, I kind of spend too much money on car parts to buy a good grill, but we'll get to it, guys. Time lapse me moving Tonka, and we're just hanging out today. And possibly draining and dropping the gas tank. Because that gas happens to be probably 2-3 years old. It's 93. So we'll get to it. Alright guys, so as you guys seen, I got Tonka moved. It honestly did not take that long. I don't know why I time lapsed for no reason. Tonka is really light after we cut him. Lost some weight in the back, about to lose more because we're about to drop the tank. I'll show you where. But he's in the carport and Goku's outside. So finally hanging out back together. Just chilling. But I'll crawl underneath Tonka and we'll see if we can hopefully drain them. We should be able to, no problem. Man, I really need a haircut. But anyway, I got the steak on the grill and can't really flip it right now. But got that cooking up. Seasoned up. That kind of did look like a weird color. It's like an orange dry rub that I put on it after I marinated it. Has some jack in it that I marinated it with and threw in a whole bunch of other stuff. But along with Tonka, yes, Tonka has EK side skirts. They do look better than the EG side skirts, but instead of taking these off of Tonka and robbing them, I was thinking about doing that. Okay, I was gonna put on Goku, but I have other stuff in mind. I've been planning on it for a while. I was gonna make my own, but why not just buy them? Little hint, but I think it's gonna look really good. I'll start jacking up Tonka and we'll crawl under there. Alright guys, so we got Tonka jacked up. We're gonna crawl into here real quick. There will be a 17 right here so you could drain your gas tank. But once you drain it out, what you can do is there are some covers over here, and once you uncover it right here, you can undo the filler neck on the side with a weird clamp, and then that should pretty much be it. Other than whenever you do your fuel pump stuff, you could go into the, I guess, the cabin of the car. And yes guys, I do have chocks up front, and before you climb in, you better shake it, because you'd rather it fall, just, you know, maybe it might bend your jack stand or something. But better to do that than your car fall on you. Hold on. There's not really going to be that much light in here, guys, but once you undo these Phillips, you pretty much do the same thing as you do to replace your fuel pump. You undo those lines and everything should come right out. But I'll see you guys back on the tripod, time lapse this, and we'll get this gas tank out. So Tonka has about 5 gallons left of gas. Or not left of gas. Had 5 gallons left of gas. We're losing daylight. Yes, we have a light, but another thing, I work in the morning, so I'm probably gonna cap this up, undo everything else, get this dropped, and we'll go from there. Alright, so there's a 17 right here to the banjo. You undo that. There's a top washer and a bottom washer. There's a little pinchy clamp right here. That's for the return. When you do it, this 45, or yeah, I think this is 45 nail nose, comes in handy because you can get at an angle, wiggle it off, push it this way, then grab the hose, wiggle, pull, and now that's off. Down there, underneath those covers, there is a 10mm lock thing, and then another clamp that you pinch. And then after that, we should just be able to do the straps and drop this tank. I realize I will not be time-lapsing because I really do not like doing that, so I'll just cut clips and merge them together. But I got one set. Of course, every time I start recording, there's always a truck getting on the highway, getting off the highway, something. Just something. Every time. So here's the second strap. It's a 12. Yes, I apologize, the drain bolt is a 18, not a 17. I'm breathing hard, guys. I really apologize for me breathing hard, if you guys can hear that. So it's hanging down. I undid the top. Now with the side, here are the ones I was telling you about. So I got this clamp done. We should be able to pop it that way. I got this clamp moved over. So I broke this loose, so we should be able to pry this down, get this gas tank out, drop it down, pull it out. I got those hoses loose, so I'm just gonna grab this. Boom! Look at that. Simple. Yes, we are leaking a little bit of fluid though. Oh, fuck. Forgot about that. Hold on. Trying to be a hero. I forgot about that. One more hose, guys, and we're home free. God. I mean, not really hell, but alright, I'll get that undone and yank this gas tank out. That clip was actually very easy. It's not really a clip. It's not really much of a bite to go over, so I just went by hand, wiggled it off, and now for the final part, Tonka has no factory gas tank. Gonna lose so much weight in the back. We're gonna be a kite. We are gonna be a kite. I plan on weighing all this after. Well, obviously not a fucking... My bad. I better say it's not suitable for kids, but... Anyway. I'll be dumping the rest of the gas out into that 5-gallon bucket. And we're gonna call this a video. Well, I'm not gonna do that on video, but here's the bottom. These just hook through right here. This is what holds the strap, and the strap's over there held together. But we don't need these straps anymore. In their video, we'll be taking out the field lines and a whole bunch of stuff. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so this will conclude the video. On the ground, laying with Tonka, pause. But Tonka used to be my puppy. For once you know, no. And Tonka got dirt on me. But it's coming together, guys. It's gonna be an awesome build. Bringing Tonka back. But yeah, I miss that dog. But in tribute to him, we're definitely gonna be killing shit. So stay tuned, and we'll slay some more goals.